How to enable dark mode in Google Docs. First of all, open the Google Docs app on your device. Next, tap the menu icon with three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the side menu. Scroll down and select Settings from the list. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Choose Theme. You will see options like Light, Dark, and System Default. Select Dark to enable dark mode in Google Docs. Once selected, the app interface will switch to dark mode, which is easier on your eyes, especially in low light conditions. If you want Google Docs to follow your device system theme, select System Default instead. And that's it. Now you know how to enable dark mode in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.